Hey everybody, this is Angel from the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you on this week's Play of the Week. I have some awesome news for our commercial and GCC customers who might currently utilize Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Microsoft has announced the availability for customizing the landing page experience included in Attack Simulation Training. Attack Simulation Training is an intelligent phish risk reduction tool that measures behavioral change and automates the design and deployment of an integrated security awareness training program. The landing page is where targeted users are notified that they fell prey to a phishing simulation, which is a key learning moment. Microsoft has provided three different options for the landing page, including the ability to use a custom URL redirect for pointing users to internal training resources and creating your own company branded landing page with unique messaging and more. These features have started rolling out this month to commercial tenants and is currently in development for GCC. Thanks for tuning in for this week's Play of the Week. And as always, let us or your IT staff know if you have any questions. Thanks again and have a great week.